Welcome back and let's continue with the series of Python by WsCubeTech. I'm Nehal and in this video we're going to be talking about sets. So let's get started. We're going to see how to declare a set and all. So first let's start with a simple example like how you need to declare sets, and then we will see about what it supports and what it doesn't. So suppose over here I have this variable x and I'm going to declare a set, and in order to declare a set you need to make use of this curly braces. So this is how you declare a set. And inside set, as I said, a set can be a collection of either same or different elements of either same or different data types. So suppose I have here collection of a string, suppose abc. I'm having even floating point numbers, then I'm having an integer value. I can have even a single character which will be treated as a string, and this is how I can declare a set. And in order to display it, we are going to make use of the print statement, print method. And I'm just going to say that you print my x. So you can see over here in curly braces I'm getting my sets over here. So this is the case. You can even see the type. We have seen how to use type method. So in order to check the type, I can just make use of this type method, and it will just give me that it says that it is of class set. Fine. Now heading over to next, we will see like what all this set supports and what it doesn't. So the first thing over here is that as you have observed over here that I'm getting an input, the my output on this console. So you have observed over here that I had mentioned like abc first, but in this case I'm getting somewhere over here, and 3.14 I'm getting over here. That is, the order is not there. So set is basically, it is unordered. From this thing, one thing we came to know that it is unordered. That is, there is no proper ordering of and all. And since it has no particular order, so you can't make use of the index value in order to fetch that particular value. So this first thing is clear. Then what if, let's see, we want to check out whether it suppose duplicate values or not. So suppose I make abc as duplicate, and let's just run it out. So you can see that abc is returned only once. As you can see, I have in this set I have passed two times, but here I'm getting only one time. The second thing, it clears that it doesn't allows duplication of values. Fine. So the first thing is that it doesn't allows you, if you have declared this thing, so it will store it in unordered way, so there is no ordering. And the second thing is that it doesn't allows duplication of values. All right. So, and we will even see how yes, you can iterate the thing by using for loop. As we can't fetch the values one by using the index value because it is unordered and indexing is not supported. So we can fetch the elements by using a for loop. So I will simply say for I in x, and I'm just going to say print I. So this is the way how you can just fetch the elements at a once. All right. So indexing is not supported in this case. All right. The next is we will see what all methods are there which are supported with respect to the sets. First one is nothing but it is the set. So the first thing I will just write it over here, set method. And what I want to do is over here that I will create a list over here. So suppose I have this list L is equal to, and in order to create a list we have the square brackets, and I'm having elements inside my list. So now what I want to do is I will create another variable that is x is equal to, and I want to make use of the set. So I'm simply going to say set, and inside this thing I want to pass the variable name that is of L in this case. So this will, what it will do, set method, it will just convert my any list or tuple into set. And in order to just print that thing, I will make use of the print method, and here it goes. So you can see that I'm getting the list, the set. I have given the L as declared as a list, and by this set method what I have done, simply I have converted that thing into my sets. So this will also work with tuple. So suppose you have declared this thing as tuple over here, and if you just make use the set method, So it will just create this thing. Fine. And you can observe over here it is unordered. Fine. And even if it will not support multiple repetition of the value, suppose I have here 5, so while converting it into sets it will only give one value, though your list has that particular value twice, or it may be as many as number of times. So this was about the set method over here. Now we are going to talk about the remove method. So we'll talk about remove. So again, now I'm going to take that example. So I will just copy paste over here. All right. So this is my remove. Now we will talk about the remove. So basically what does the remove method does is it will remove that particular element from your uh, set. So suppose I write here x dot remove, and in order to use this method you need to pass here the value which the element which you want to remove. So suppose I say that you remove this abc, so that thing will be removed. And if you say print x, so you can see that abc has been removed over here. And by suppose if you don't pass here anything, so it will rise an error. So you can see over here it will just rise an error that set remove takes exactly one argument. So it's necessary that you mention here which element you want to remove from your set. Fine. So this was about the remove. The same thing is about the discard. You can use discard as well. So similarly you can just say x dot discard, and in this also it will accept. If you don't mention anything it will again rise an error, as the case we have shown with the scene with the remove. So in the discard also you need to just specify which element you want to discard. So here suppose I say you discard 17, so that thing will be removed from my set, and you can see over there that it has been discarded. So you can use either remove or discard. The next method we have is pop. So basically pop will, what it will do, it will just pop out any random element. So if suppose I say x dot pop, and you just write it out, and if you say print x, so you will see that it will just pop up any random elements over here. So as you can the thing I want to tell you over here is that as it is unordered, and it may sometime remove this element, or it may be this, so it will just pop out random values. You can even display this thing, like you will get an idea like which element is been popped at this stage. So basically it says that it is popping this abc element from your set. So this is nothing but how you can make use of this pop method with set. We'll see now the next one is the clear. So clear method basically just clears your set. So if I say x dot clear, so it will just clear my entire set. So I can just print, so it will just clear it out. So you can see that it says empty, it's empty over here. So it has just cleared it all. And one more method we have here is add. That is, you can just add the elements. So that thing will add it at random position. So we'll just take an example. So suppose I say x dot and add. In this case, suppose I want to add a element, suppose I want to add here 17. So that thing will be added at any place. And when I say print x, so you can see over here that now in this case it is added over here. So these are nothing but some of the methods that we can use with set. So basically the sets is that you need to declare set in curly braces, and it doesn't support repetition of the values. Even if has this you have declared over here, it will just give the result as 1. And it doesn't follows indexing because it is unordered. You don't have any ordered over here. That is the scene. And we have even seen now, as it doesn't support indexing, so you can't just access elements by the index value, that is 0 1. So for that you can use for loop. We have seen that thing. And this thing also we have seen some of the methods that what the set does. So set does if you in the set method just basically converts your any sequence, that is if it is list or tuple, it will just convert it into your set. Remove and discards function method are just same, that is it will just discard and remove the particular, you need to specify the element over here, that which element you want to remove. The pop method is basically used, it will just pop random values at a time. You can just display the pop method as well, that which element is getting removed from your set. Clear basically does clears the your entire set. And add basically what it does, it will just add the value, the new element at anywhere in this set. So I hope you're clear with the set concept and all. So thanks for watching.